Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado, a midsize truck that's shaking up the segment with groundbreaking design, raw power, and impressive versatility. Whether you're after off-road prowess, a powerful towing partner, or a tech-savvy interior, this truck promises to meet those needs, and then some. Let's get into the 8 reasons this model redefines the midsize category. Reason number 8, striking new design and enhanced trim options. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado arrives with a bold design overhaul, showcasing an aggressive stance, sharp contours, and a distinct grille that exudes power. Taking styling cues from the Silverado, it fits this rugged appeal into a compact, agile frame. With various trims, the Colorado meets diverse needs. The WT, or work truck, is practical for utility-focused drivers, while the Trail Boss adds off-road prowess with 32-inch all-terrain tires and elevated ground clearance. The Z71 balances premium features with rugged capability. For serious off-roaders, the ZR2 and ZR2 Bison include 35-inch tires, skid plates, and rock sliders, available in new colors like Reef Blue Metallic and Sunrise Orange to reflect its bold spirit. Reason number 7, Powerhouse under the hood. Underneath its assertive exterior, the 2025 Colorado boasts a turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine that kicks out a formidable 310 horsepower and a whopping 430 pound-feet of torque. This engine setup places the Colorado a step ahead in the midsize market, outmuscling rivals like the Toyota Tacoma and Ford Ranger in torque and overall power. Chevrolet's decision to standardize this engine across all trims makes choosing simpler, while ensuring that every model delivers a high-powered experience. Matched with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Colorado shifts smoothly, providing responsive acceleration that shines on both city streets and long highways. And Chevrolet hasn't sacrificed fuel efficiency for power. This engine balances both, giving drivers reliability and strength. This single-engine approach marks the Colorado as a versatile choice, offering powerful performance that doesn't compromise. Reason number 6, leading towing power. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado shines with a best-in-class towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds, outperforming rivals like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Tacoma. This capability makes the Colorado an ideal choice for those needing a truck that can confidently handle work-related loads or weekend adventures with trailers or boats. Chevrolet's engineering ensures stability and smoothness, even when towing heavy loads, so drivers can enjoy both power and control on the road. Not just limited to standard models, the off-road-focused ZR2 also offers impressive versatility with a 6,000-pound towing capacity, proving it's ready for both trails and substantial hauls. With features like trailer sway control and enhanced braking systems, the Colorado provides added safety and steadiness, making it a top pick for drivers who frequently tow. Before we rev up the next segment, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support drives us to bring more high-octane content to auto enthusiasts like you. Now let's crank up the power and dive into our next point. Reason number 5, superior off-road performance. Adventure-ready drivers will find the Colorado's off-road capabilities unmatched, particularly with the elite ZR2 and ZR2 Bison trims. Sporting a class-leading 12.2-inch ground clearance and Multimatic DSSV spool valve dampers, the Colorado glides over uneven terrains, effortlessly absorbing the bumps that would challenge lesser trucks. The ZR2 Bison takes it a step further, with rugged rock sliders, added skid plates, and front and rear locking differentials, making it ideal for rocky, challenging trails. For those seeking off-road capability without going full ZR2, the Trail Boss trim offers a more budget-friendly option, featuring upgraded suspension and all-terrain tires. Whether tackling mud, sand, or steep inclines, these trims provide the confidence and control needed to conquer the outdoors with ease. Reason number 4, premium interior and tech upgrades. Inside the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado, drivers are greeted by a refined yet rugged command center. At the heart of it is a large 11.3-inch touchscreen, fully compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless access to apps, navigation, and media. Music lovers will appreciate the premium Bose sound system in higher trims, turning each drive into a concert-like experience. Chevrolet designed this cabin for comfort and function. The ZR2 trim, for instance, includes ventilated leather seats, perfect for long trips or hot days. An intuitive gauge cluster and strategically placed controls make every journey smoother. Beyond its style, the interior is meticulously arranged to boost functionality. Chevy bridges rugged utility with luxury, making the Colorado feel equally at home on city streets and rugged trails. Reason number 3, exceptional fuel efficiency. Chevrolet strikes an impressive balance between power and fuel efficiency with the 2025 Colorado. On the highway, it achieves up to 24 miles per gallon with rear-wheel drive and a commendable 22 miles per gallon with all-wheel drive. Exceptional figures for a truck with robust towing and off-road capabilities. This makes the Colorado a practical choice for both daily commuting and extended road trips. Chevy's advanced engineering, including optimized aerodynamics and a turbocharged engine paired with smart transmission tuning, allows drivers to experience strong performance without excessive fuel costs. This combination makes the Colorado appealing to those who need a capable truck but want to keep fuel expenses in check. For anyone seeking the perfect blend of efficiency and power, the 2025 Colorado offers an ideal solution in the midsize truck segment. Reason number 2, cutting-edge technology for today's driver. In today's fast-paced world, technology is more than just a perk. It's a necessity, and Chevy delivers with the Colorado's advanced tech suite. Chevy Safety Assist comes standard across all trims, equipping the truck with crucial safety features like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking for a safer ride. Higher trims add even more peace of mind, including adaptive cruise control, blind zone steering assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. Chevrolet has also integrated Google services directly into the truck, allowing voice commands for navigation, vehicle settings, and more, all with the sound of your voice. The Colorado's tech isn't just about safety and connectivity. It's designed to make driving easier and more enjoyable, transforming the truck into a smart vehicle perfect for the tech-savvy driver. Reason number 1, outstanding value across all trims. Starting at around $32,000, the 2025 Colorado offers substantial value across all its trims. Even the base WT model includes the 11.3-inch touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and Chevy Safety Assist as standard, making it an exceptional entry-level option for practical truck buyers. For those craving a bit more, the Trail Boss trim, priced around $40,000, brings off-road upgrades, ensuring rugged performance at a competitive price. At the top, the ZR2 Bison, priced at roughly $62,000, delivers unparalleled off-road strength with added armor and durability. Whether you're looking for a workhorse or a luxury off-roader, the Colorado's diverse trim options mean there's something for everyone, offering impressive value at every price point. Verdict: why the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado sets a new standard. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado isn't just a truck. It's a versatile powerhouse built to excel across the board. Its bold styling, best-in-class towing, advanced technology, and diverse trim options ensure there's a model for every driver's needs. From its city-smart features to trail-ready toughness, the Colorado sets a high bar for the midsize truck segment. For drivers looking for a well-rounded vehicle that brings both practicality and excitement to the table, the 2025 Colorado is hard to beat. So, what's your take on the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado? Does it check all the boxes for what you want in a midsize truck? Or is there something else you're looking for? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Tribune to stay updated on the latest vehicle news and reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.